In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this Xiaomi. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on languages and input, manage keyboards, and Gbird. Lastly, select text correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to autocorrection to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!